Investors looking to retire are asking themselves if they have enough savings built up in their retirement account. There are many reasons why even the savviest investors would be asking these questions. Inflation is at a 40-year high. The last time the PCE rose above was in 1974, which triggered 9 years of high inflation. Housing prices have risen to unsustainable levels. The looming threat of the everything bubble bursting and wiping out up to $75 trillion as predicted by Alistair Nairn at the end of the everything bubble. The threat of war with the former Soviet Federation. Fed president admitting that they are behind the curve in preventing high inflation. This video will cover why hundreds of investors have turned to Goldco. And answer the question, how is Goldco protecting wealth? The top investment company around. Goldco. When it comes to protecting your wealth, Goldco is the top investment company, and Gold Hill Retreat recently named Goldco the best gold IRA company in 2022. Their gold-funded IRA risk mitigation strategy allows investors to expand their investment portfolio to other qualified retirement accounts. The precious metals company has some of the best ethical business practices in the precious metals market. As this article digs more into the precious metals company, the reader will discover the glowing customer reviews from several of the top consumer review sites and recognized by their peers in the industry by being awarded the coveted Stevie Award. How Goldco can help you protect your wealth. Goldco helps Americans protect their retirement savings. In fact, the company has been honored by the American Business Awards and Inc. magazine as a fast-growing gold investment company in the U.S. What's more, in March 2022, Sean Hannity endorsed Goldco for its growth initiatives. Goldco can help you protect your retirement savings, whether in an IRA, 401k, or teaspoon fund with precious physical metals, making it ideal for clients who want to roll over an existing qualified retirement account into a gold-backed account. Goldco Precious Metals offer a range of services, including asset protection, retirement planning, and more. And best of all, the company is rated A+ by the Better Business Bureau and has a AAA rating from Business Consumer Alliance. The devastating effects of inflation on retirement wealth. Inflation can have a devastating effect on retirement wealth. As prices rise and purchasing power diminishes, people find it increasingly difficult to save money for their golden years. Worse yet, the rapidly increasing inflation can erode the value of those savings, leaving retirees struggling to make ends meet. When the inflation rate is more than your retirement portfolio growth, there is a loss of value in the investment account. Many traditional IRA accounts are invested heavily in the stock market. The major index of the best 500 companies traded in America, the S&P 500, is down 14% year-to-date. The S&P 500 is the index Warren Buffett challenged the best hedge fund companies in the world that would outperform in 2008, and Buffett won the bet. The continuing slide in the S&P 500 could be a sign of larger underlying economic trouble. Who is investing in gold? Many investors are investing in gold because of the uncertain economic future. The current geopolitical environment seems to have hindered business growth and compromised consumer trust. The lack of confidence in this administration to do the right thing and have American citizens' best interests at heart is fueling the desire to take action and protect personal wealth. Gold has been a store of value for centuries and is often held as an investment. Throughout history, precious metals like gold bullion and silver coins were used as the original store of wealth by matriarchs and other royal classes. Whenever there is a loss of trust in the economy, seasoned investors looking to protect their retirement savings look for recession-proof investments like purchasing precious metals. Are you wondering what the elite and central banks are currently investing in? Goldman Sachs reports that the global elite and central banks are investing in physical gold. Everything from gold bars to investments in gold-backed ETFs. When elites, banks, and hedge fund companies purchase physical precious metals, they are doing this to protect their assets under management. Large corporations to everyday people. Goldco's recent study found that various people are investing in gold in record numbers. These include individuals preparing for a financial crash, major corporations, and America's elite. Goldco is committed to helping investors protect the wealth they have built over time in their retirement savings. This commitment gives the investors peace of mind as they start to transition into retirement. As a result, many people turn to IRS-approved precious metals like gold, silver, palladium, and platinum as an investment for their future through precious metals Iras. These precious metals are seen as safe investments, especially in times of economic instability. Additionally, they can be used as an alternative to currency when needed. Goldco has seen a surge in demand for its products as investors look to protect their wealth into retirement. The company attributes this growth to political risks such as sanctions or wealth taxes. These events often cause investors to lose faith in traditional currency, and they turn to gold as a more stable and safe investment. Gold is also becoming increasingly popular because of its rising value and continuing record-high inflation. Financial analysts remain bullish on gold. Gold prices are down this week, but financial analysts remain bullish on the precious metal. The market remains in a consolidation pattern, with gold hitting a brick wall in March 2022. While the price action is disappointing, it's difficult not to be too discouraged when looking at financial market conditions. Financial analysts at various banks remain bullish on gold prices, predicting prices will move higher this year. While geopolitical and macroeconomic uncertainties persist, the precious metal remains on track to break all-time highs. Technical indicators suggest that a dip in the price of gold could be seen as a buying opportunity by investors. The analysts are bullish on gold, expecting it to outperform other commodities this summer, and they suggest that silver prices may also be headed for significant gains this year. They remain cautious about the possibility of a double top at gold's 2021 high but note that risks are still low. Bank of America's take on gold. The analysts at Bank of America are bullish on gold, predicting that it will decline in the next few months. They suggested that this is due to an overvalued market and stretched prices against other currencies but will return value by the end of the year, marking investment opportunities for precious metals Iras. Wells Fargo bullish on gold. Investors view gold bullion coins and gold bars as safe investments, and Wells Fargo is no exception. The bank has stated that it is bullish on the precious metal, citing its relative value hedge funds focusing on asset-backed securities. These funds have performed well in the current market conditions, and it's not too late for clients to invest. The investment strategy report published on April 25, 2022, by Wells Fargo Investment Institute state the U.S. dollar is masking gold strength. The fundamentals and technical analysis all point to higher gold prices by the end of 2022. The bottom line is that we're still expecting gold to move higher throughout 2022. We believe fundamentals and technicals are looking better than they looked in 2021. Plus it appears that investors may be warming up to the idea that long-term inflation expectations could be shifting structurally higher. About Goldco Precious Metals Review. To read Gold Hill Retreat's complete review on Goldco, check out Goldco Review, Precious Metals IRA Investment Company 2021. Goldco Overview. Goldco is a full-service precious metals firm. Founded in 2006 and based in California, the company specializes in helping people protect their wealth as they move into retirement. They were featured in several major publications, including the Wall Street Journal and Forbes. The company specializes in delivering gold, silver, and other precious metals to everyday investors. The rising concern in the general economic environment is instability, and the IRS has made provisions for investors to invest retirement assets to hold physical precious metals in IRA accounts. Goldco Direct was in the perfect position to help several clients during the 2008 market crash by positioning clients to preserve their wealth through these types of IRAs during those unprecedented times. When Goldco's CEO and founder, Trevor Gerst, realized how clients' portfolios outperformed the typical retirement account during the Great Recession, he dedicated himself to making precious metals available to everyone. Goldco offers gold, silver, platinum, and palladium bullion. The offerings range from IRA-approved gold coins to fund a precious metals IRA such as American Eagle, Canadian Maple Leaf, Arctic Fox, and American Buffalo. The Precious Metals Company also offers IRA-approved silver coins to fund other precious metal IRAs, including American Eagle Britannia, Canadian Maple Leaf, Mexican Libertad, and Australian Kookaburra Arctic Fox. In addition, they offer 401k and IRA rollovers to precious metals IRAs. Goldco is a specialist in gold and silver IRAs with over 16 years of experience helping people save for their retirement. Goldco's focus on customer care service has resulted in an A+ rating from the BBB. Goldco provides plenty of resources to educate investors on how they can build a precious metals IRA portfolio. Gold and silver IRA rollovers ensure the safety of investor assets while ensuring profit gains along the way. Overall, Goldco has phenomenal customer reviews. Goldco has a focus on quality and security. Taking pride in quality, security, and customer satisfaction as Goldco's primary focus. Whether buying gold bullion or other precious metals, your physical precious metals are secure with Goldco, and all their coins are authenticated and come with a certificate of authenticity. Once contacting Goldco, a precious metals IRA specialist will contact you to help determine if a gold or silver IRA is the right investment strategy for your retirement asset protection plan. You are bound to have several questions, and the Goldco customer care team is there, ready to answer any inquiries you might have about your retirement savings or existing IRA. If there is one takeaway, Gold Hill Retreat learned about Goldco when we did our in-depth review in 2021. It's don't worry about being pressured into a Goldco precious metals IRA. They are always following the highest ethical business practices. Customer review after customer review states that they were never pressured into purchasing anything. The process of providing value seems to have resonated with a large number of customers. Sean Hannity endorses Goldco. On March 1, Goldco reported that Sean Hannity is now endorsing the Precious Metals IRA company. You might have noticed his figure and likeness as part of their updated advertising material. Sean Hannity is a well-known political commentator and talk show host in the United States. Recently, he has been talking about the importance of physical gold and silver ownership to protect retirement savings from the potential ravages of inflation, surging national debt, and geopolitical tensions. Goldco is a company that promises high standards of customer service and delivery through the precious metals IRA process. They offer a buyback guarantee for customers with precious metals IRAs, which provides an extra measure of security and confidence. The CEO of Goldco. According to the Better Business Bureau website, Goldco was founded in 2006 and incorporated in 2011 by Trevor Gertz. The company started as a precious metal IRA provider and has since grown to be one of the most well-respected companies in the industry. With a net worth of $12 billion, Goldco can provide high-quality customer service and products. The brand focuses on 401k rollovers into precious metal IRAs, which can be seen in their easy system that takes care of all the customer paperwork with the custodian and storage facility. Starting a Goldco IRA account setup is an easy process and provides protection. Goldco makes it easy to set up precious metals IRAs that offer protection for your savings. The process requires 4 steps: signing up, filling in your information, waiting for representatives to contact you, and opening the account. It's easy to open an IRA that includes precious metals like gold and silver coins, and Goldco offers a free silver coin for new silver IRA members. And if you're funding the account with savings, Goldco will assist you in choosing other precious metals to include in the account. Precious metals are an excellent way to hedge a portfolio against inflation and protect gains. Kitco's latest special report is about the increasing uncertainty in today's world. In this report, Kitco discusses the impact of inflation on investors and how to combat it. Gold and silver have been used for thousands of years as a form of currency, so precious metals like gold and silver are often referred to as money. Gold's past performance shows it's helpful in times of economic instability. When the value of paper assets and traditional securities like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds goes down, Gold IRA experts agree that the value of gold usually goes up. Those working with Gold IRA companies like the Goldco team protect your retirement savings by creating a precious metals IRA that holds physical gold in an individual retirement account investment portfolio. Gold is an asset that can be legally held outside the financial system or banking system. For these reasons, many people believe that precious metals will become more valuable in the future as inflation increases. The advantages of working with a trusted company like Goldco. There are many advantages of working with a trusted company like Goldco. Goldco is the most trusted gold IRA company in the United States and offers a variety of unique features that other gold IRA companies do not. For example, their buy-back program guarantees that you can always sell your gold back to them at market value, no matter what happens in the future. And their low-fee model means that you will pay less for their services than you would with many other gold IRA companies. But perhaps the most significant advantage of working with Goldco is their customer service. Goldco provides unmatched customer service, receives positive customer reviews from satisfied customers, and provides an easy IRA rollover from existing retirement accounts, helping customers make informed decisions before purchasing gold through Goldco. As a bonus, Goldco has a stellar reputation online, with a perfect rating from both the Better Business Bureau and Business Consumer Alliance. Goldco has won the coveted Stevie Award for the second year in a row. Rollover funds can be used from traditional IRAs, 401 kiloseconds, or other retirement savings like a SEP IRA when purchasing precious metals like gold and silver premium coins. Your individual retirement account will be designed around your circumstances in the most professional manner possible to maximize your retirement benefits. Top 5 benefits of a gold IRA. Tax benefits. Long-term investment. Better control of investors' retirement savings portfolio. The gold investment opportunity. Precious metal IRAs sell silver, palladium, or platinum and cryptocurrencies market. Tax benefits. A gold IRA account is an IRS loophole that provides the same tax benefits as a standard IRA account. This means that customers can enjoy all the benefits of an IRA account while also investing in physical gold coins or bars. Contributions to self-managed IRAs are tax-deductible when investing in a traditional IRA, and all withdrawals at the end of the investment period are taxed. This makes a gold IRA an attractive option for investors who want to save on taxes on the front end during the investment period. On the other hand, by creating precious metals, IRA structured as a Roth individual retirement account allows the investor to pay the taxes up front with tax-free withdrawals in retirement without paying for capital gains. This is another advantage that a Roth has over other retirement accounts. The exact steps to roll over an existing IRA into a gold IRA are outlined in the Goldco Wealth Protection Kit, endorsed by Sean Hannity. Customers can also expect help in filling out forms and the conversion of their traditional IRAs into gold IRAs from their account executive. Having someone there to assist you through this process makes it easier and less stressful. Long-term investment. Gold is a valuable commodity that has been used as a form of investment for centuries. While the price of gold may fluctuate occasionally, it has always held its value over the long term. Many experts believe that the cost of gold will only continue to rise in the future. A gold IRA is an excellent option for those looking to protect their assets and grow their money over the long term. Gold, silver, and other precious metals are durable and hold their value well, making them an attractive option for investors. Better control of investors' retirement savings portfolio. One of the benefits of gold IRAs is that investors have more control over retirement investments. With precious metals IRAs, investors are not reliant on somebody else to make decisions for them. They are in charge and can transfer funds as needed. This can be an empowering feeling, and it allows investors to research the market and find the best options for themselves. The gold investment opportunity. Gold has been a valuable resource for centuries, and investors are starting to take notice of its potential as an investment opportunity. Here are 5 reasons why you should consider investing in gold. Gold can provide asset diversity, which is essential in any portfolio. Gold is a hedge against inflation. Gold offers tax advantages that other investment vehicles do not have. Gold is hands-off, which can be helpful for people who find it challenging to manage their money. Gold provides interactive opportunities that help you save for retirement. Precious metal Iras sell silver, palladium, or platinum and cryptocurrencies market. Gold and silver Iras offer a vast range of investment opportunities with little effort. Gold IRA companies can now provide access to other non-traditional assets such as platinum, palladium, silver, and Bitcoin. In addition to these options, some firms offer crypto Iras and Bitcoin in addition to traditional gold. This gives investors a wide variety of choices regarding their retirement portfolio. Goldco Direct Customer Service. Goldco is one of the top precious metals IRA companies, and they offer excellent customer service. Their business hours are 8 to 5 on Monday through Thursday and 7 to 4 on Friday, but they also provide 24-hour customer service via email or phone. One thing that sets Goldco apart is their white glove service, and the positive reviews on Business Consumer Alliance support their personalized approach to all customer inquiries. How does a self-directed IRA work? Precious metals IRAs are a type of retirement account that allows you to own physical gold, silver, and other precious metals as part of your portfolio. Self-directed IRAs are a special type of IRA that gives you more control over your investments. You can invest in alternative assets like real estate, private loans, and precious metals with a self-directed IRA. Two additional requirements for precious metals IRAs are: selecting an IRS-approved custodian, establishing an IRS-approved storage depository. IRS-approved custodians act as your advocate. They verify that all purchases meet IRS requirements, account for assets, and report your holdings to the IRS. Goldco works with all major custodians approved by the IRS. What penalties should I expect for moving my assets from a 401k to a gold IRA rollover? None. Goldco Precious Metals Gold IRA experts work one-on-one with each customer. When done correctly, a rollover or transfer of assets into a precious metal IRA is tax-free and with no penalties. This is why it's so important to work with the experts at a trusted gold IRA company like Goldco. They have specialists waiting to answer any questions without pressuring for a commitment. Is gold a good investment for retired people? There is no one-size-fits-all answer to this question, as the best investment strategy for retirees will vary depending on the individual's specific retirement goals and financial situation. However, many retirees are choosing to invest in precious metals, such as gold and silver, through a self-directed IRA. Precious metals IRAs offer several benefits for retirees, including protection against inflation and portfolio diversification. And because the value of precious metals tends to fluctuate less than the stock market, they can be a more stable investment option for seniors. For more information about investing in precious metals IRA, check out the link in the description. Conclusion. Goldco is one of the top precious metals IRA companies, and they offer excellent customer service. Their business hours are 8 to 5 on Monday through Thursday and 7 to 4 on Friday, but they also provide 24-hour customer service via email or phone. One thing that sets Goldco apart is their white glove service, and the positive reviews on Business Consumer Alliance support their personalized approach to all customer inquiries. If you have been thinking about the record high inflation and worrying about how this will affect your retirement, click the link below to contact Goldco for a no-commitment consultation.